In CapCut, we can easily create or generate stylized caption. So let's see how we can do this thing. The general method to generate auto caption from your video or audio file is just select the clip and then just come to the auto caption and then choose this button generate, and it will generate very basic type of caption. Like for example, let's click there and we'll see it very shortly, and it's almost done. It is very quick, and if we try to play it, we'll see that the caption is not that much good. Okay, now let's see how we can make it stylized or a themed or different variations of caption. So I'm going to select this caption and going to delete it. Now we have to come to the caption tab again, and from the left side we have to choose a template. If we click this small arrow, the templates will be expanded, and from here there are different variations of template is there. For example, we want to use this template. So what we need to do, we just need to select it, and now we'll see another button is there, generate captions, and then we have to click here, and CapCut will start generating all the caption from beginning till end, and now it looks like catchy. So let's increase the size of this video, and I'm going to play it to see you the effect. So here you are seeing that it is coming like that. So let me decrease the size so that it will be easy to check. So see here, now I'm going to play it and see here the text template is different. So like this way we can easily change the style, and we can add that template to our caption, which is generated automatically by CapCut.